Some people say Jamaica is a paradise. Beautiful beaches, good vibes, and a place everybody dream about visiting.
Cheese and butter, talk to me.
What you have said about
Everything, me.
cheese and butter?
But what if I tell you? That's not the full story. Because online, you'll hear two sides to the story.
And I'm an idiot, big idiot boy. Which man can boots me up for this man? Fully bad, but this a boy have for my own.
Some people say it's the best place on earth.
You're living on the sky.
Remember the lady said we still have the sun.
Others say it's a struggle.
Well, living in Jamaica come like a back way in the east, so I'm going.
So which one is true? In this video, I'm gonna be finding out myself, talking to every Jamaicans, hearing their story, showing you the real reality most people never see. This is Jamaica through the eyes of the people who live in it. Remember me tell you.
Today me there, me general, yo, Noel.
Go on.
Down at town. Me go come out the road there, Noel.
Yeah.
So right now, massive, today we are going to investigate downtown Kingston, how Jamaicans feel living in a Jamaica. We just ask some random people where them feel like, how them see themselves living in a Jamaica. If them fear nothing, yeah, we feel like Jamaicans fear living in a Jamaica, what do you think?
No, all the people when I live in a certain community. But once I know it's there,
Yeah.
you're good to go. Because I'm not afraid of downtown. I don't live in downtown.
Yeah, me neither, because I do a video downtown all in the night.
Yeah.
I'm not feel afraid, but do you think that regular people them down at downtown feel the same?
We're going to find out now.
I'm going to go find out now. So now we'll actually have a camera and to just go around and ask some random people how them feel like living in a Jamaica. We'll go find out.
So what the motive?
I'm going to talk. As a Jamaican, as a hustler in the street and as a man very social on the media, how you feel as a Jamaican living in a Jamaica right now?
You know, some feel good, because I'm not really foreign minded, you know. You know, you have some boy, they make a one food, them run across the border, them gone. I'm not really foreign minded.
As I said that, let me ask you normally travel?
No, but the exposure would have nice still. But Jamaica nice, I don't really live no rough life from one run away from my island.
You love it out here?
I love it out here, bro. I'm good, I'm satisfied with the look what I have. Because I'm a hustle and I don't have no problem. Because I avoid them things, I've been there and done that. Everybody know who me is. You see it, so I hustle. And I'm good. I don't really have no problem in a Jamaica, even though sometimes the system, you know, police try to, sorry for my bad word, the police them give me a look of fight more time, but we have to do what we have to do. Them a work and me a work.
So the biggest problem for you right now, if you're down at town and I sell really the police?
At the KSAC, I'm going to talk the truth on the media.
Yeah man, talk to me, because we are trying to find out what the people them in a Jamaica face.
PMP, yo, I burn politics. Me are not labor right, me are not PMP, but I burn politics. Everybody at Jamaica, my brother and my sister, but from PMP when KSAC, the town people them I get a fight. You see it? Brawling. I'm a labor right. My whole of my family my labor right. I'm a burn politics, dog. You hear that? But from PMP when KSAC, a problem out up on the road with the Igla and the taxi man them. And everybody have to eat. Members say them rob up the money and do what they want to do, you know. We have to hustle for our one, you know, bro. You see it? So the only problem that we have right now, KSAC. You see it? But
So like a man like you have to pay like for sell which part today?
yeah, we have to pay. We have to pay like a little fee. I'm storing at the arcade, even though I may build my store from the ground up, I still have to pay. Yeah.
So you feel about that differently?
I don't really feel no way, because everybody have to eat and a chum change we have to pay.
So that would I feel like the taxes for sell down here are just the utilities, water, light
Like the utility, like the water and the light bill. You see it? We don't really pay tax, because we don't pay tax and no boy can tax my friend. You see it? Brawling, we don't pay tax. But I just feel like that where them get on nothing.
Yeah.
You see it? Because I don't know as me say people have to eat and everybody have to hustle. But with I love if them give it a look of freedom. And me could do it, because you saw the road dig up, them a give it a fight. You see it? We understand, say we now go in the road, you know, we now overdo it. You see it? Because you know idea, we have a family for feed. Me can't get a 9 to 5 because I tattoo up and thing, and I don't know I might be all the community where I'm born and grow. So it's hard for me get a 9 to 5. And you see this
So pretty much I say, for you get a 95 certain way, based on where you live and where you grow.
Yeah, them watch your community. You see, but this one I don't really want a 95 because I'm my own boss, and the boss can't bad me up and tell me what to do. This, I'm come up, I make more than what they make for them 95 in all a day.
So you're grateful for what you do?
I'm very grateful.
How long now since you've been doing this?
around 8 years from I come from lock up.
Oh, you did the behind bar? You did the hell?
Me the hell from come from hell, me I do this.
How long do you the hell for?
Me the hell for around 8, 9 years, you know, bro. Cause 9 years now, from as me come from hell, me there I do this. And me there for around 8 to 9 years.
Me not even ask you why you the hell.
Yeah, man, that I was still for another interview. Yeah, that brawling, man.
Yeah.
But this hustling nice. Get a youth on and off for thief, on and off for rap. On and off for sit down on corner and bad mind and envious dog. A whole heap of money in the street. Things can happen, you know, bro. But some of my man them don't want to try.
So you pretty much have to tell them right now, say,
no,
them not figure hell. Because you been there.
You can't go hell, bro. You can't go hell. Your girl go cheat on you. I never want to say F-U-C-K sex on you. But your girl go cheat on you. My girl me love the most. And any little thing me ready. A 4-month time she give it when I call her phone pan my birthday. Nah, let me give her a little job. I tell it. Me not care. Because my past them level them are bigger than that. The level me there them can't reach me now. But 4-month time, me and a boy, you see, I was a girl birthday, you know. 4-month time when me da lock up, you know, bro, they got here. Was the girl birthday and me I tell them say, yo, cause one bird we have in ourselves, we don't call it phone, we call it bird. So we have one bird and me I tell the boy them.
So the bird that you attack is actually
a cell phone. But you don't know we did that one bird and we are run it off. But everybody have the bird right through, but I was a catty birthday and me I deal with. So I tell the boy them nice say, yo, and me I run the bird tonight, them time the 3 minutes I run.
Yeah.
Me I say, so when at 12 o'clock me I go on the bird. Cause me catty birthday and me have to chat to her and you know. Bro, you see on her birthday the night when I call the girl. The girl say, don't call my phone. Bro, when I do so, I'm looking for her right now, mama call. The girl say, no, you still call the phone, I'm call the phone 30 times a man say. In a year she send a call back your phone, brother, but guess what the wickedest part? Bro. Me and a boy just done war in the cell for the phone. Cause a boy, but never ever call him name for him see the interview here. Fully bad. Me and him tell the boy say so on a free night me go war the bird. The boy no want to give me mad thing, man. Me have to punch him up, man. A mad thing in the cell, man. Yeah, because him a chew thumb to, but you don't know that now connect like my one. And a water come in. Be a water come in. Be a back no we get. That till all the water boy me have to hold him and jerk him and make him know so when he come and road a mad thing. We are talk back in our past because we not push on violence. Yeah. But me I show you what go on.
Yeah, you tell me the story at the time.
And me I tell him say, yo, but how the water deal with me? Me have tattoo dog and my tattoo them look like a color them color. Bro G. Color. So they lick them when me get black and blue and me tattoo them look away. You see it dog? Fight for the phone, water violate, or me call the girl phone is a man answer.
I said don't call back your phone.
Call back the phone. So you see them thing there, me not really put my trust in a woman. Yeah. You have to love them, you know, because we can't do without them.
You say you have back a woman now?
I feel. What you say, bro?
How much you take it now?
One boy. Yeah, man. One.
My choice.
One Shutter Boss Junior in there. For you look funny, they see me. Yeah, man, brawling. I want Shutter Boss Junior, man. So as me tell you, bro, me not really put my trust, but I don't know what you can do without them, but we kind of have look at trust issue. Yeah. I saw the thing set there, but we have to have a woman by our side.
So a while ago, before you, me even want to cut you, but a while ago when we started, you say one Gaza. So you actually now represent for Gaza because you've been in a jail and you know say teacher been in a prison, so him go through hell. So you have to say, yo, Ada G and me I work with her long before that you say Gaza. Tell me other part.
Bro, me I represent Gaza from the first day me hear one line from Cartel.
Tell me line make you hear. What you think?
I was a tune said but the ark like when Noah full. You know what that one them I say? Me don't really want to say it on the life because you don't know you keep the thing clean.
Yeah.
And the man I said the thing them full like the ark them and Noah full. From way back them days bro, them lyrics there. Because remember we used to listen to Beanie Man and Bunty and so old time artists I say. And as a party, you see it? But you see Cartel music dog, them rhyme they make me say, wow, go on, it come like it do something. You see it? So that it kind of motivate me to turn an artist. Because remember me write my song and do my little thing, you know, bro. A Cartel cause all of that, bro. You see it? From the first time here, Cartel, I say Gaza up till today. Ask anywhere you go, anywhere in the street, them can tell you, say, I want Shutter Boss, fully Gaza. Remember the sound, video the sound.
Yeah.
When you come here, I always Cartel here.
Every time.
I show the interview with Tony Dunn.
Right.
Remember good, so from them time that we say Gaza, we never switch. Cause me always try to be like Cartel. You know see me image? A Cartel. From way back, when him in a hat on him jacket and thing. Bro, the artists them not really have no image where you know say the youth them can pursue and hold it. You see it, dog, them do so other thing them. Me can't tell them man how to wear them clothes as me tell you. But some boy want them pants done here, so no, dog. We are in the street and we militant. We don't care what some boy want to do, but that's a thing. It's different, bro. We want some different composure, some different meditation. You see it? And him make me there also. I could have out here thief, you know, bro.
So we say, from him forward out of jail, gump on the right path and everything, that even give you more courage. We say, yo, we have to gone for negativity.
So one of them, they can't that shit, bro. Remember when Carter get locked up, you know, people that say Gaza give up on him, you know, because they say him nah come a road. Everybody give up on Cartel, you know, just him and God alone, you know. And then the man beat all of the odds them and there, bro. So sometimes when you see nothing now go on, you can't give up, bro.
So your words to the youths, them know, and everybody we are watching, so living in Jamaica, we feel like time hard and we can't do this. What you look on them people now and say? Before you ever say that, just tell them why in a cup.
Oh, you know the cup, you know, so I look at NEC mixed with look at double seven, brawling.
Yeah, alright. Yeah. Tell you,
so I tell you them said, don't give up, dog. Cause you see the time when you give up at them time, then you feel. You see it and nobody following and look at eyeglass boy. You know much boy with a love phone walk back at them for setting up and telling them to go over there so for that cause them want to know them they even know, dog. I do some setup thing I go on. Cause some man now go do something, you know, about them a program. I look at youth for go do it. Cause him can lose him 3 points and then him stay so and say, oh, so it said, bro, want the youth them do the right thing, brother.
Now, what's your name? Tell them your name.
One real youth down at town.
Real youth down at town?
Yeah.
Alright, so real youth down at town. How do you feel living in a Jamaica as a Jamaican?
Oh, I feel alright still, you know, because I know forgot which part I forgot and which part I not forgot. He's a man who go everywhere too.
Anytime?
Anytime, anywhere.
How late actually? What's the latest you ever stay out here, son?
From night till morning.
From night till morning? I don't fear nothing?
No at all.
You ever get robbed out here?
No.
Never get robbed?
No.
You ever get robbed any at all in your life?
No.
Never get robbed any time in your life? Too bad me can't say the same.
Yeah.
You alone? You can talk that for everybody?
No, I can't talk for myself.
You can talk for yourself?
Yeah.
So, if you should actually tell somebody advice, if you come down at town 12 o'clock a.m. or 1 a.m. in the night and just live normal, would you advise persons to do that?
No, I tell them I can come Grand Market in December.
Yeah, that's the way I tell them.
Yeah.
When I tell them if you just come here, right down at town, Bedford Street, just come walk anytime of the night and you'll be safe.
No. I don't advise them to do that. Only on December time.
I tell them why you not advise them to do that on a regular day.
When, in the hours and night?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, because thief the old in the hours and night out and so.
About thief they everywhere in the world still.
Yeah, but down at town so in the hours and night, any game play.
Any game can play.
Any game can play.
And you just have to fear.
Only December alone.
So only December alone?
Yeah, my advice people can walk here so 12, 1 o'clock.
Why you do down at town? Why you would have done it so late?
For sale.
You sell clothes? Yeah. Is that your thing there?
Yeah, right at Princess Street and Bedford Street, one real you look good. Down at town.
I know, see we are there with another general. You have a teacher, what's your name?
Warris, man, Warris. One.
Yeah, what's your name? Warris.
Yeah, Warris. But we not love
That's your
Warris.
name?
Yeah, but we not love Warris.
Is that nickname thing?
Yeah, nickname. One.
And about this one there, and about this one
No, we not love Warris, brother. You're mad, man. I love Wissam, man.
Yeah, which part you born and grow?
Jamaica walk by Spanish Town, St. Catherine, man. One Spanish Town, you see it?
Any specific place in Spanish Town?
Yeah, man, down a Lime Tree Grove. Big up, you know.
Lime Tree?
Surrounding, yeah, wall surrounding.
You feel safe growing up in a Lime Tree?
I'm well safe, man. My community safe, man. I'm one of the safest places in Spain, man. I swear.
That is it?
Safest place in Spain.
How long you live there?
From a born till now, brother. I bought up a one sailor. You hear that?
That is it. How you feel living in Jamaica?
I live in Jamaica, come like a back way in the east one going on. Because the tax thing gone sky high.
How long you said dog in the east? Where be by dog in the east?
In Africa, man, in the east, man.
Oh, Africa?
Yeah, around here so rough. Yes, yo. What the African leader they are going good in Africa, that are going.
Where's the Abraham Chori?
Abraham Chori, them man they are going good. Tell Jamal leader, yes and no lead, my brother, man. I back way them want to go.
Don't be shy now. What's your name? Oh, Natalie, she name? So Natalie, how do you feel living in Jamaica?
Feel good.
You feel good? You're somebody over there that says no, we're not better than you.
Man a better yard.
Blunt. Down a town.
Down a town we.
You not go nowhere.
Nowhere else.
So after the bat, you say you are the leader of Jamaica.
Rough, sticky.
And what you do for your living?
Eaglerin, man.
Oh, you sell everything?
Yeah.
Your place this?
In my little ground with this.
If me ask you, how much for your shirt? Like, how much for one of them shirts? How much for this?
That's a 5 bills, man.
500
And 1,000 for them, man.
and 1,000 for them there.
That's how we have to do it.
So you feel like you make a living by selling clothes and them things in Jamaica?
I try survive.
I try to survive.
Try survive. Can't with what go on in Jamaica, come money. I want low for burger reach all 8 bills when April done. 1 pound of sugar gonna reach all 4 bills.
I know me understand because tell me the truth now, how much profit can you make off a shirt where you sell for $500?
No, I mean not fight too great. I just survival.
Jamaica good, man. Just money I want.
Just money?
You just want money to live at Jamaica.
And you
Jamaica good.
So you feel safe?
Yeah, man, me feel good in Jamaica, man. Yeah, no way like home.
That is, and you sell shorts and anything. Which part of my father come get the shorts them?
Yeah, man, Beckford Street, man, right across from Bashko, man. You see me? Come and show you the thing them what go on. Come and show you what go on.
So, how late you actually out yourself?
Me out from 5 o'clock every morning till 9 o'clock at night time.
Till 9 o'clock. So, so shoppers completely good for come as come buy up to 9 o'clock.
Yeah, man. Because we there, man, the road full of people right through.
Which part you born and grow?
Born and grow at Jamaica, yes, but you know we African descendants.
Yeah, alright, cool. Which part in Jamaica you fall from?
Not town, man.
Down a town?
Yeah, they're not town.
Alright then, no joke. So, how safe you feel like now that you're selling down a town?
To be honest, I'm not telling a lie on that because the camera them up. You see me, and I love how the mayor run the plainclothes police them. So in a way, you feel safe in some way. Somewhere, because you know so the plainclothes them there and the camera them in every corner. You know what I want me, I don't know. Make every store now put out a camera outside so any fool in go on. Him can get footage from the store then.
So, so have you ever been robbed down here?
Anybody come at town and say never get the rubber lie them at tell.
And so we are going to beat up Joseph.
One Jamaica walk by, down a town Kingston. You see me? Never tell a lie. You see me? When I want the bad boyfriend jeans them, bad cargo jeans them, yeah man, link right down a town man, right across and Bashko man. See them there? The latest set of shots them. When you're ready for them, come check me. That is it.
Alright, as a lady and as a real Jamaican living in a Jamaica, how do you feel living in a Jamaica?
Feel great.
Feel great?
Yeah. Me all the way I say Iran a go on and Vietnam that go. Me no want live because I go live. Me no want go them place to go live. Every day I say thank God for Jamaica.
Where's no bomb now drop down here?
No bomb now drop. No boom now drop. Me love Jamaica. One Jamaica. I mean, what my?
That is it. But if you should say one thing that you don't like about Jamaica, what would that be?
Boyfriend shots. All right, differently. One thing, at the crime. At the crime, I just want for us to cut down the crime. But differently, everything nice. I love everything else.
All right, tell me one of the best things where you love about for your country, Jamaica.
One best thing.
Yeah.
All right. Free speech. We can walk and do as well we like and thing. Yeah.
So for you, that is it. They just like for me free and you can move nice and things.
Yeah, you understand me? Nobody now fear I tell us say you can't say this and you can't say that. Some country, why we couldn't live in them country then. I fear tell us say you can't eat certain time and you can't say you're gonna prison all of them stuff.
And a hairstyle.
No. Yeah man, I want steady made fashion. You see it? Me have $1,200 shirt. See them there over there, sir? Me have $1,500 pants. Me have boy shirt, $1,000. One steady made fashion. One steady made fashion from Bigfoot Street here.
You are going on for now. Yeah. Them things they are eliminated. Yeah. They are cut out.
So from years coming up to now, you feel super, you're way more safe than how you used to be.
Ask anybody. One time you never can walk one bed where you go to the police station. Now you can't do it.
Yeah, because I've done it. I did a couple times late at night too. I'm good.
One time usually people grab your phone and all them big bird up. Look on them camera. Show them the camera there now. Them
okay,
camera.
so the install security camera right over there.
Right. So it big brother. it cover the whole ground. So shoppers can come buy now. Everybody uptown can come shopping. Everybody can come buy. Because we are going. The camera them up and the plain clothes them a walk.
Yeah.
Any boy feel like him can come with him foolishness, God go with him.
God go with it.
God go with him.
So you're telling me that right now people feel very safe right now to come and shop and not feel good?
No.
Is it right now?
Right now.
How late you think people can come out see we come shop down at all?
Me fear and with that just because me I tell a man say ain't all 7-8 o'clock a man still can't come get goods.
How late are you out here so now I said?
Them region there.
At 8 o'clock you there same way?
I pack up.
That is it.
Then because the place, the ground good.
Ground good.
The ground good.
I want on the app, you hear that?
So we're there with So how you feel living in a Jamaica?
Well, I agree it's a place to live, you know.
You don't have no problem with your country?
No problem at all.
That is it. So what you do in a Jamaica if you're living?
See it right now, I hustle 24/7 here.
So you hustle, you sell what? Shirt, shorts, blouse, all sorts of things?
Sell the bad shirt, them. I sell the bad cut-off shirt, them. You look up on them, you see them? The girl them running, come grab them. And the handbag them, me have the bad top them, me have the costume them, me have the chain, me have the ring. As you can see,
you have everything?
Me have everything.
So how is it for you like selling in a Jamaica, all of them things, as I say, you're a hustler, you understand? So you sell all different kind of things to make a living. How hard it is for you to sell them things to make a money?
Well, no, if I'm dedicated now, put your mind to it now, eat, you know. You see me at that height, man, a year. Just dedicate and focus a year.
Well, so tell me when I struggle with your face to sell downtown.
Well, I don't really face the whole heap of struggle. Them days from back in the days that now. Them time I know a different time.
Yeah, me keep on hearing a lot of persons say a different time I know. You feel more free, you feel more safe. You don't know no more foolishness and them things they kind of cut out.
Yeah, because back in the days we have to use to take up a chopper and run from police. As now you can come in my business place, come interview me though. And see me there, pack up my thing, them comfortable. I'm alright, you see.
As a youth, you are also.
As a youth, you are also straight. You hear that?
So I realize you all on pretty much get Beckford Street on both sides for sell and thing. How you feel about that?
Well, 100%. You see me? Because if it never possible, I don't know what I do. You see me? So I give thanks to anybody make it possible. That's the day. So.
You represent straight for downtown Kingston.
Straight Kingston. Downtown Kingston.
So if you're downtown Kingston, which part you that there sell?
Boy, I don't know.
Bad pants them.
Yeah, man.
So I see a lady out here sell and think. How long now you there downtown a sell?
1,500 boyfriend cheese.
Over 10 years?
1,500 woman pants.
Where's it? Up and down?
LA shot, right, right. 1,500 woman pants.
That is it. And you feel completely good living in a Jamaica?
Yeah, me not have no problem. Me not go nowhere.
If you should pick one country for go live, which part you go?
Me not go nowhere left me pick them. When them reach my age, me go.
That is it. But for now, Jamaica your place.
Jamaica, me not go run left me pick
that is it. So which are they get the clothes them for buy and sell?
China street. Big up China.
Big up China.
Big up China.
So you don't go China go live?
No, me not live there because me not like them dirty food.
Jesus. But it's all about Jamaica.
Yeah, but it's all about
number one country.
Better than yard. Yeah.
Man, a junior there with a downtown with the Bedford Street. You know it could.
So as a G down here selling thing, how you feel as a Jamaican living in a Jamaica?
Brother, we are always proud to be a Jamaica. Remember, say the capital of the Caribbean, this, you know, brother.
We say capital of the Caribbean.
You're deaf?
You don't feel like some people are going to vex now?
Culture, music, fashion, style, what else, etc., brother.
Are we?
We are the capital of the Caribbean.
So right now we're there, downtown. How safe you feel like downtown be right now in 2026?
Brother, right now, I just God we have to trust, because nowhere in the world not safe. I just God we have to trust and just pray and go through. You understand? Trust and believe.
Alright, so if you had to choose a next country other than Jamaica to live, which country that would that be?
Brother, I'm not going to lie now, at the money me are choosing right now, 2026, brother.
So you say any country which has the dollar flow right here, that's so?
The dollar I want for the yes, sir.
In a Jamaica?
Yeah, bro. God know. We want travel, we want the opportunity for travel and go to that place, because them say what? 195 countries in the world. Yeah, we don't want to go at least one handful.
Makes sense, you know?
Yeah, but yes, sir. Nothing sweet like that, brother, man. And the culture alone, brother, I'm not gonna lie. The culture are one of the main things we love about yard, brother. Nothing to beat that.
You know, say almost everybody when me talk to say, yo, nothing like Jamaica. Even people who travel and go far. Me are one of them to where travel and me have to say, boy, Jano, no way like that place, yeah.
The climate, everything, brother, the style, the fashion, the love there, and don't get me wrong, you know. Yeah. But remember, say, the ear and everything there back it up, and them thing there, I don't balance it.
Yeah,
you
but
me,
you would have said that last year and this year, you would have said this year we are going on a better journey when it comes down to peace, love and unity, or it'll get less. Which way you think we are going?
Brother, I never, peace and love and unity never get less to me, you know. I don't know about nobody else. Yeah. But you see, for me, I always spread the love and the unity. Any man who not deal with that or any girl not deal with that can go on, brother. So
straight up
count them. Straight.
All right, so advice that I give persons right now out there, we're living in a Jamaica, we probably have it say, well, yo, more cut from Jamaica, I can't do that. Where you look on them and tell them, say?
Well, I'm not going to tell her one, say, no. You get me, because I guess you know, opportunity out there, and the people, the dollars out there. But the main thing I tell a man or a woman right now, brother, anywhere you go, don't forget the goal. Don't forget the goal. Anywhere you go, just remember, say, you have to come back a yard. And don't forget the goal, so nobody go all about go follow some people and for them style. Don't forget the culture too. Yeah. That me I try to tell you no. Because someone know, yeah, we don't even go too far and spell it out, but that me say, anywhere you go, don't forget yard and don't forget the goal. You understand? Because we don't deal with dreams, that's when we are asleep, we talk about something when we up. Yeah,
figure
walk. You understand? Walk about, you know his style.
One more time, tell them which you have a fine and tell them some of my thing they sell.
Yeah, man, at downtown Bedford Street, man, the start empty because I don't know rain now there you pack up and thing, but at downtown, I'm just say 13 Bedford Street. You understand? Little bit after you pass Matches Lane, whether you're coming from your west, little after you pass Matches Lane, coming from your east, little after you pass Princess Street.
And I hear that.
Listen, and I read that. Yeah.
Pick up and respect my brother every time, you hear that? One of the sellers them downtown, this man sell neck and chicken gizzard jerk. You understand? Yo, my teacher, how you feel as a Jamaican living in a Jamaica?
Feel good, man, living in Jamaica, man. You have to just try to find something to do, man. Say we have a 95 where we sell neck and gizzard.
This is not even 95, this is more like 7 to 10. How long is the out there?
I was out there a good while, man. See, from about 10 o'clock to about 7 over there.
Straight?
Yeah, man, holy ground, man. Rain and sun over there, man. Right at Bedford Street, you have gizzard and neck every day.
Every day?
You go Sunday when you're there.
How safe you feel like selling out here anytime?
You feel safe, man, because we're not trouble nobody, man. Only, you know, you think Jamaica nice, that's how you do your thing.
That's all you do your thing?
Yeah. Oh, you know, you live in the street, you know. Do everything for living in the street.
And you not encounter no problem living in a Jamaica selling downtown, don't it?
No, man, we're not afraid, man, because we're not doing nothing wrong, man. Body love woman. Foreign and yard, Jamaican, everybody love woman.
How long now since you've been doing your business out here in Jamaica?
About 28 years with there, I do this, man, every day, man. 95, man, right through, man.
So this is why you use to look after your family for over 20 years?
Yeah, man, say me give them go to school, man, and there every day, man. It's a job we do, man, love it, man.
How many kids you have?
2 kids.
2 kids? What's the age group?
1 at 10 and 1 at 3.
Oh yeah, man, you say you've been looking at your kids over 20 years. You're going good then, man, you know what I mean? You've been supporting yourself plus adding your kids and everything.
I support people otherwise too.
Yeah, because you don't know, enough people come and say, yo, walk one baby, and they can just go to boom and back it up and give them same speed.
Man, same thing, man. We don't remember say we don't want to reach, you know, that's why we can't say we them go to school. And we alright, man, and we drink 2 beer and relax, man.
I tell them again, which part you find you and one way you sell?
Chicken neck and gizzard, man. Then they come to Jamaica, man, with the right at Bedford Street, man. We can't last, man. Right at the corner of Bedford Street, man. Any time we're there, man, 24 hours, man. What by TV, you know, so you the people that talk about. We're there, man, out.
I see that general, I know, I'm a bro. I'm a bro. You understand? Yeah, Shete, before me even start talking with you, I have to big up Jonestown.
Yeah, man, big up.
You know why I big up Jonestown?
Yeah.
Because I have a general from Jonestown will link me and say, yo, Shete, I'm Virgin, yo, Shete, I'm a Gene, and all that way at Jonestown. You know what I mean? So, yeah, my teacher, you watch you go and see me at Shete, right now, that she tells the Shete, I'm a brother. And you know that.
Yeah.
So, here we go now.
But big up the whole of Jonestown, as you say, man. You hear that? Brawling, big up Jamaica walk by TV. You hear that? Jamaica walk by TV. I want to tell you, I know just Jonestown alone recognize real.
Yeah.
I'm there, I'm say Bell and a lady from England, one from America, one lady there at Connecticut, and them can link me in a town, them ask people where shit there. Right, there's some there stay as I said. And them come link and I say, yo, a Jamaica walk by TV, me see up and you know. So me have to big you for that to brawling.
Respect every time.
People them love me chemistry dog. Brawling, a crazy foreigner, pop up a foot. Yeah, that, but a fully Gaza, that's why I think then.
May you classify yourself as in a Jamaica right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna classify myself as a role model right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause we clean and no tear, and you know the girls them hypnotize and watch me, and you know the thing go. And the youth them see the flavor and like it out in the street the same way, and know say them have to try the right way and like the style, and I just flavor out style.
Man.
You know? Yeah.
So as a Jamaican living in Jamaica, how you feel?
I feel good, I feel nice because me I watch the thing now and see dance all and reggae and no joke thing. The world I watch you right now, the world feels the way. I don't play thing, reggae and dance all at a big arena sell out everywhere me look by every artist so at so I don't play thing with Jamaica. Jamaica big from long time. From Marcus Garvey and Buster Man to them straight down to Bob Marley come down in a dance hall same way, you know. Yeah, man, real talk, a real thing, man. Yes.
So we say you living in a Jamaica and think how safe you feel right now downtown?
Downtown, I feel safe, I feel good because what you know when my friend them there, I feel good, all the vibes see me and I hustle. I look the money to make sure the pot bubble will come out, you see it. But I feel safe, but you know sometimes we're there I'm paranoid because we live in a gun town and a gun home same way, and no joke things. Sometimes we inside we're paranoid out. Because we have people that try for hurt people, we know and try whatever those them that hurt we, but we know so we're good because we live in the earth. But at the same time we still feel that way because community to work, you know, we live in the garrison. We live in the Gulf.
Which garrison you fall from?
Yeah man, I don't know Oakland or Brownsland man. Right there, sir, man.
How long have you been living there for?
Well, from the day I know myself, you know.
Yeah, how long?
A long time, a very long time. Yeah, from the day I'm born, man.
Yeah. With Ilek, you don't know. So tell me, Ilek, as a general down a town, how you feel as a Jamaican living in a Jamaica?
Well, one of the worst days if you ask me that question, then Jamaica, man. I change the years we just get for over your seas, man. I swear.
Feel good?
Yeah, man. I'm afraid I 30 pounds of scallion and I'm just going to sell it out, man.
Feel good?
Yo. And me have a snow boot and mama just come out and start chilling at the rain and bite. And she want me for an extra thing. As a Jamaican living in Jamaica, big up my friend them for Britain. The man on some Satan. But when I tell you, say Jamaica,
yeah.
Down here, if you notice, if you look. I'm a real Jamaican, man. I'm a patriotic Jamaican, man. I did one run and I still want to run away. But I not have to run away. Because you see down here, so, a paradise. To Jamaica nice, we have to name it twice. Jamaica. As a real Jamaican. Remember, you know? And the Jamaican boy, this was just a white boy, you know, remember good sealer.
Them remember good.
Them remember good, because if they not remember good, them a fight for forget.
Yeah.
If you not remember good, you not fight for forget. And I want to tell you this, Jamaica walk by, same just a run by today. So I want to tell you this, good night and goodbye. But me not tell a lie. Jamaica walk by, not tell a lie.
But me not left it, you know, because I'm going to ask you how safe you feel like down a town right now in a 2026.
No, I sleep in a store, man. My wife come here today. And yesterday I go home and I bathe and I feel so warmly. But me not tell you to believe a yard, man. I'm married, man. I have wife and pitney.
So that means you feel extremely safe down a town, living down. You ever get robbed down a town yet? A general officer tell me say if you part down a town and never get robbed down yet, something must wrong with you.
Me get robbed, man. One girl me I walk with and the girl make the man joke her. What we did for do? But they have to just come play and make the thing work.
How long ago was that?
About a good time now, man, a long time. That's when they did that do and walk back of foolish, man. Remember we can gather about the thing and get back the thing together.
So clearly in a this time where we live now in Jamaica, you can say compared to them time there, now it's way more safe than them time there.
Yeah, but as I say, the girl get really robbed still and I never really me. But me they have to comply because she take the joke and me just stand up and say so. And watch it.
They get robbed, man.
It was a robbery. It was. Yeah. No. Jamaica safe. Kingston safe.
Yeah.
Especially now, the security force them are going extra hard, and the government are going extra hard. And me nah lie, down a town. I want to make you tell this. If you forward down a town, Kingston, and you look for something, and you didn't find it,
it don't exist.
No.
it is in existence. It's just that you have to come again the other day.
So like you as a businessman, we have your own business down here and thing. What way you sell down here?
We sell every little thing, you know.
Every little thing?
Yeah, man, every little thing, man.
So you as a businessman, a work down here, have your own business and everything. You are employed one person say, yo, in a full time 2026, is it much safer. You can actually come down here, so pretty much anytime you feel like.
Chain no grab again, phone no grab again. Them look at something they can't go and boy again. Police them regulate the taxi stand and one bag look at something, man. Everything, me not lie. Me no know. Me might say it and them feel away. But Kingston, remember me name Mr. Dongaton, you know, you forget.
And from you, Mr. Dongaton, say Kingston good.
It's your boy, you know. I'm out here. I've been out here. I like Vice, Mr. Dongaton, right? Because remember, I'm married to my wife 2015, then I'm married to Town 2016. Town is my queen, right? And when I Dongaton, I don't need a machine. Dongaton, clean.
That is it.
Man. So Jamaica walk by, I exit my thing now, I do me that look something, man. If you don't never know, how gonna know me? I like Vice, me a triple OG. I should have bought on them a sell CD. I should have bought on them a spin CD. If you don't never know, have you know me? Don't have told me a triple OG. I should have bought somebody G and GT. I should have bought somebody G and GT. No, Freedom Street, we make a late entry. Big baller, them can't bench me. Chris Kiel, so me make century. Carry coach her from Senti. Tell the busy roll out the Bentley. Manchester the garden and renty. Yo, yeah, hear me? I hate, man. It's a boy, man. Jamaica walk by. It's so good to see you again.
Every time.
A couple weeks now, a couple months now. Joseph, big up yourself anyway there.
And we have Yo Noel behind the camera.
Noel.
Tell them to subscribe to Yo Noel.
Yo, subscribe to Yo Noel. No Noel. You get them and say, Shorty, big up yourself. Anyway there, you're loud about the cloud. Remember two Shorty, and not just me. It's all good. Jamaica walk by. I even look in the camera again with my eye. You know?
One thing with Ilek with there. Alright, that's how we are cut it, because I don't know we are closing up with Ilek. Big up and respect every time. Mr. Dongaton. I love bad.
Jamaica. Feel free.
Right, this is what you done.